Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Coinbase to PayPal in 2026. Want to send your Coinbase money directly to PayPal? Here's how to transfer your funds step by step. Let's follow these few simple steps together. Now before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you'd like to join this platform, you're just gonna go to coinbase.com website and make sure to sign up or sign up if you don't have an account already. Now you just click on the sign up and enter your information and make sure to provide the payments method, the card, the phone number, the email, and follow the procedure and you're gonna create an account. Now after you create an account, you're gonna link PayPal first. If you haven't already, you're gonna go to the settings and then click on the payment method. Once you complete all the identity document verification steps and confirm that your country of residence is the correct, from your account, you're going to click on settings and then you're going to select the payment method. As you can see here, then you can add a payment method. After that, you're going to add PayPal, choose to add PayPal and connect your PayPal account to your Coinbase account. Then you're going to, if your money is still in crypto, you're going to sell it first so it appears in your cash balance. Once you're gonna have a cash balance, you're gonna tap assets, then you're gonna select your cash balance and click on the cash out button. Once you click on the cash out button, you're gonna choose PayPal as your withdrawal method. And after that, you're gonna type the amount you want to transfer and review the details and then confirm. Now, PayPal withdrawals are often faster than bank transfers, but fees may apply depending on your region. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.